Meet the Americans withholding their federal income tax to protest Trump. Spoiler alert, this isn't going to turn out well for them. So Rachel Cohen declared in an Instagram video she's not going to pay her federal income taxes this year. She's got 140,000 likes. Turns out Rachel's actually an attorney, which is interesting. And interestingly, also only owes about $8,800 to the federal government. So she's going to put that in a high yield savings account, and this is her form of protest. And it's cool that she's getting some attention for this because everybody loves getting eyeballs on their position that they want to take for or against the government. But she's taking the approach with gentleness that she's a competent attorney. I'm a little worried about this. This is nothing new for Americans. We've always been interested in protesting taxes. In fact, I was in Boston recently celebrating the original Boston Tea Party. So while this cause is gaining steam as Americans reject how their tax dollars are spent, this isn't going to end well for them. They're going to be looking at potential jail time for willfully failing to pay their taxes. They're going to be looking at interest that accrues on the debt that they owe, and then potentially significant penalties. Listen, I'm not aware of anybody that hates the way the government spends money more than I do. But I think what you need to understand is there are rules that you can take advantage of to avoid paying taxes that aren't going to get you thrown in jail, that aren't going to cost you big time penalties and interest. If you really want to protest the way that the government spends money, then do it legally so that they never collect the money. Taking this approach, don't worry, they're going to get it eventually. There's going to be liens on your property. They can garnish your wages. If you have an actual tax strategy, especially as a business owner, to reduce your tax bill, that's one way that you can avoid paying taxes legally in a way that they can never come after you.